Now it's time to learn how to add positive and negative fractions. To do this, we will be using this very important chart we used when learning to add and subtract integers. So remember, boys and girls, if the two fractions have the same sign, you're going to add them together and keep the sign. So, for example, positive 1/2 plus positive 1/2 equals positive 2/2. If they have different signs, you're going to subtract and take the sign of the larger number. So for example, negative 2/3 plus positive 1/3. These have different signs, so we're going to subtract. 2/3 minus 1/3 is 1/3. We take the sign of the larger number. 2 is larger than 1. The answer is negative 1/3. Remember, if you are asked to subtract positive and negative fractions, you need to simply change subtraction to addition and change the sign of the second number. So looking at something like this, negative 1/3 minus positive 2/5, what will you do? You're going to change subtraction to addition. You're going to change the sign of the second number. And then right back here, same sign, you're going to add these up and keep the sign. Let's do it. Remember, you're going to have to put together everything you learned from before. You need a common denominator. So we're going to multiply this fraction by 5s, this one by 3s. Our equivalent fractions. Negative 1 times 5 is negative 5. 3 times 5 is 15. Negative 2 times 3 is negative 6. 5 times 3 is 15. Back here again, these have the same sign. We're going to add them together. 5 plus 6 is 11. The 15 stays the same. We keep the sign. So the answer is negative 11/15.